Hey everybody, Joe Durrani here from Ample Property Solutions. Today we are going to be in Penrith at one of my favorite cafes, Percy Plunkett Cafe, 146 Station Street in Penrith. We look forward to seeing you there, 6:30 p.m. Till about 8:30, 9 o'clock, give and take with question and answers. We've had such a successful run with our popular event, How to Kickstart 2020 and Safely Build a Multi-Million-Dollar Property Portfolio within 10 years or less. So if you are in or around or near the Penrith region, get yourselves there, register your seats. We have a few spots left over. We look forward to having you there. I guarantee you that you will walk away with some incredible insider knowledge and make an informed decision moving forward whether you will be investing in property or not. But at least, like I said in my past videos, that at least you'll know where you stand today and what it is that you're trying to build towards. And this is the perfect seminar or event to help you get that information and to make, help you make that decision moving forward. If you are in and around Brisbane, our last event for our national tour is going to be Wednesday next week on the 4th of March. We're going to be at Woolloongabba. It's going to be at the Norman Hotel, 4th of March, which is going to be a Wednesday, 6:30 p.m. again till about 8:30 p.m. So all my Brisbane friends and family and people that are there that are also looking to come along to this event, please register your seats today. Michael, you're going to leave another link in there as well for Wednesday's event. My name is Joe Durrani, Ample Property Solutions. We look forward to seeing you at one of our events. Thank you.